Okay, let's go. And we're back here at Boss Pro Karting for another. Oh boy, that guy is diving. Holy moly, that guy was coming for me. Well, I was about to say, we are back here at Boss Pro Karting for another challenge night. We have a wild 21 people race, which is a boatload. I need to get some space before I can actually commentate on some things here. We're in a heat of a little battle here. Yep. Okay, we have an interesting setup with some joker laps. 2 joker laps. I should probably take one immediately so I don't get stuck behind these duders. Yeah. Well, I have a stuck brake pedal. I didn't even notice. That is not helpful. That is for sure. Okay. Oh, I am driving like trash right now. Any hoozlebees, I think we're pretty safe at the moment. Still have a joker lap left for contingency purposes. I'll be hopefully waiting for that white flag. Okay. Alright, good. Alright. Might be catching some traffic here. So, one thing I want to talk about, I will probably be rebranding here sometime in the future. I just want to like get back to like a name that is more like, I don't know, isn't just like letters. I feel like I kind of made it like this like 6-letter thing when I transitioned from average racing to the current AVGRCN, but it's like, the problem is I think people have a hard time remembering like 6 syllables. It's like I tell people my name and they're just like, yeah, let me get my camera out and just take a picture of your sticker instead, huh? And so I'm probably going to transition to something else, so be on the lookout for that. I don't know if it's going to be something just, you know, that I think is cool or that is like more based on my name, but that is something that will be happening in the future. Let's go! No weight jacket. I'm not doing that again. Get this out of here. Get it out of here. All right, and we are back for the second qualifier. I am starting 11th. This is going to be not easy. Not easy. There's some spots. There's some more spots. Oh, yep. All right, this is good. Outside is fool's gold. Let's take the spot. Oh boy. Yeah, let's just take one. Are we slowing down or what are we doing? What are we doing? Are we still going? We still racing? What are we doing? I guess we're still going. I don't... Are we still going? I guess we're still going. Well, that was that could have been a lot of spaces that I could have made up there. But I thought we were stopping. Good pass, good pass. Okay. Anyways, this is fine. We're still, I mean, we started 11th. I mean, I can't really complain about anywhere I finished that isn't 11th. Wait, I mean, I can complain about a lot of things. Who am I kidding? Oh boy, people. Okay. All right. This is less than ideal. Less than ideal. Less than ideal. Oh boy, yeah. Let's get away from these guys, huh? Let's get away from them. Holy moly, that was bad news. Okay, good. Any lap without someone taking a joker is great for me. Oh boy. I mean, if we finish third, that is a huge W. That is a huge W if we finish third. Good. Slowly catching number 3, I think. Oh, good. He had another joker. Okay, fine. I feel like I could have done better if I wasn't like confused about that yellow caution that I thought was a real caution. So I just slowed down, and I should have just took the time. I should have just took it. Oh well, good stuff, good stuff. We take third. And here we are back in the feature race. 15 laps, 3 joker laps. It's gonna be a tough, oh my god, I'm getting slammed from back there. Yep, you did what you had to do to stay in second there, but I get it. This is going to be a really difficult one to win. Everyone is very fast, especially up at the top here. Had a little bit of a spot there, couldn't make it. We couldn't get it. I would love if these guys could take their jokers, because I know that I am good at this course. Oh boy, that's unfortunate. Let's just take one. Oh, my gas pedal is sticking. That is not good. Okay, we've taken one joker. That is a neck brace gone.
2 seconds later.
And we're here for a double file restart. That is not good for me because I've already taken a joker. I would much prefer those to have happened when I didn't take a joker. Because effectively, that's kind of a free joker for people who have not taken one yet. So that's unfortunate. Really need people to take some jokers in front of me. I don't want to take mine. Bruh. I don't know where you think you're going. You're gonna take some jokers to get in front of me, bud. That's all I know. I'm gonna do my best to save my last two for the sole reason that we might also get another yellow flag restart. Oh, this gas pedal is killing me. Oh boy. It's gonna be a tough one to win, that's for sure. Everyone is very good in this. I mean, that's what happens when you have 21 people. The cream rises to the top. Come on, bud. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, sorry. My gas pedal's sticking. I did not mean to bump you. My bad, bud. Oh my god, this is a disaster. This is a disaster. I gotta take one, I think. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I don't think I can take one. Oh, sorry, Dave. Sorry, Dave. Okay, we're taking one. Okay. Saving the last one for white flag, for sure. It's really tricky navigating this, this stuck brake pedal, huh? Or stuck gas pedal. I'm like not even trying to pull it up. I'm just trying to deal with it. Oh, it's definitely affecting my turn there. I'm losing so much time there. I need to catch these duders. Oh, we're hopping because of the speed. Okay. Last one, here we go. Oh man.